This 5-minute solution will show you how to export individual chat on WhatsApp. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to export any chat, and the process will be similar for Android and iOS device. Launch your WhatsApp application, tap on Settings, tap on Chats, and tap on Export Chat. Now tap on the conversation or chat, which one you want to export, and select here attach media or without media. So I want to export this chat without media, and as you can see, the chat has been successfully exported. Now you can save the chat by tapping on Save to Files. You can send the chat to any social media from here. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.